Hey, so I'm going to show you one of these items that people say doesn't sell well on eBay, and but they're wrong. And it's not because it's a bad item. It's because they're buying it in the wrong way. So, if you're not checking sell-through rate when you're buying, before you even buy it, you're guessing. And guessing gets expensive, and I don't guess. Now, let me show you exactly what I mean. Because this item right here, people walk right past this all the time. And they're out there. These are definitely out there. Oh, by the way, if we haven't met, I'm Dave. This is Retired with Purpose. So, one thing that I've learned from running a business over the years is you make your money when you buy, not when you sell. And that's exactly what's happening with this item. It's not that the item won't sell, it's that people are buying the wrong ones. So let's take a look at these. What's this item I'm talking about? I'm talking about toner cartridges. Now, this isn't a good example. This is a HP LaserJet cartridge that I sold. And as you know, I show this on a lot of my different videos that what I paid for it is in my custom SKU. You can see how much I paid. I paid $3.18. And what did I sell this item for? I sold it for $52. So when you're looking at this item, these are out there. And what I try to do is I just try to buy new ones, new sealed boxes. Now I know some people will sell open boxes and so on, but I just have good luck with locating new ones that are sealed. So that's what I would look for. And another thing, colors. As you can see on this one, the color, it's red. So all the colors will sell, and the black ones are definitely the best. That's the ones that most people run through the fastest, but all the colors can sell. So on this item, I paid $3.18 and I sold it for $52. So let's real quick look at the figures. The shipping, $11.40. The order total was $63.40. And what I earned after they took the fees off and my shipping label, I earned $49.91. So it cost what? $2.09. $2.09 to sell this item on eBay. But I want to point out what to look for. And the main thing, guys, I've mentioned this before and I have other videos about it, is sell-through rate. You really need to learn how to do sell-through rate. And by doing that, you're going to be buying items that you're not guessing on. You know they're going to sell, and you know they're going to sell for a good price. But you have to check. You have to look it up. Don't guess. Too many people guess, and that's just bad business. Don't do that. So, for instance, I'm going to give you a couple of examples so you can see. And you know what? We're going to touch on something else too. I get asked all the time about, do I use on eBay, do I use buy it now, or do I use auction listings? Well, it used to be eBay was all auction, not now. And I use buy it now. Oh, shoot. 99% of the time. The only time I will use an auction is when I'm trying to clear out items. So let me give you a good example of this and why you have to be careful when you're using auctions. So let me give you an example here. Now this one, I want you to see, and you please pay close attention to this. Now this is a Brother TN 460. Now this person put this up at an auction for 25 cents. It's right here, 25 cents. He only had one bid, 25 cents. It's what it sold for. But the key here, the big thing, is down here. Free shipping. Guys, this seller sold that for a quarter, and then the seller paid the shipping to the buyer. That's just a bad mistake, in my opinion. I'm not going to lose money. I would rather take the item and go donate it somewhere than lose money. Now, how he could have prevented this, or some of it anyway, is if he wouldn't have done free shipping. If he would have put on calculated shipping. And if he would have made a couple of dollars off of his calculated shipping. But this way, not only did he sell it for a quarter, but he had to pay the shipping to wherever it went. You know, $3, $4, $10, $12 of worth of shipping he had to pay because it was marked as free shipping. Now, let me give you an example. The same cartridge, let's look again. He had the TN 460. Now, here's another one that's a TN 460. And you can see this guy, and that's sold, it's right here, sold. Now, this guy, he has his 4867 buy it now, and he sold it. Same number, brother TN 460. And if you look down here, he charged $9 in shipping. So guys, use buy it now, especially if you've checked sell-through rate and you can see how much these items should be selling for. So auction, I would be very careful, and it's definitely, personally, I would never do free shipping on an auction, but I don't do free shipping anyway. So let me give you another example. You think that one was odd, a quarter, and this other guy sold his for basically $50. So let me give you another one. Here's another one. Now, this one is a Brother TN 570. And you can see, same thing now. He put it up as an auction, and he sold it for 93 cents. Same mistake down here, free shipping. He paid the shipping on this item. Exactly the same thing. Now, why is he doing this? I don't know, unless he likes losing money, spending money on the shipping and giving the items away. I have no idea why someone would do that. Now, same cartridge. Another example here. This is a Brother TN 570, and you can see, and down here, it's sold. It's sold for $43, and here's the shipping plus $11 in shipping. So guys, when you hear these things won't sell, not true. It's not true. Now, I only stick with name brands. I never buy knockoff brands, ones that are made by off companies. I buy Canon and Brother and HP. And all of these can be found new, sealed up. Understand that some sell faster than others. Always check the sell-through rate. Sell-through rate is king. If you find an item, you check the sell-through rate, you see that it has a really good sell-through rate, it's money in the bank, guys. You list it within 90 days. If you price it right with the sell-through rate, it's going to be gone, and you're going to make really good money on it. So these are some examples. I'm going to go back to mine here for a moment. One more time, and you can see now that one that I sold was an HP. It was the 201X, and it was in red. And again, I paid $3.18, and what they deposited in my bank when I was all finished with the sale was $49.91. I will take $3.18 and turn it into $49.91 any day of the week. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. And remember, I do have a membership program, and I also do coaching. And members get a discount on coaching too. So all of those things, I invite you to join. Have a blessed day. I'll see you guys on my next video.